Alternative Capital Investments. Expect a difference.
Hi, I'm Dak Hartsock, President and Chief Investment Officer of Alternative Capital Investments. Thank you for stopping by our site to hear a little bit about our company. Before I talk about ACI, I'd like you to take a moment to think about your investments and their importance to you and your family, to the organizations you support or perhaps hope to support in the future, the legacy that you would like to leave behind you, or perhaps even the idea of a worry-free retirement. What can ACI do to help you reach those dreams that's different from what managers such as Merrill Lynch, Edward Jones, or UBS might do? Well, as your investment advisor, we do more than simply trusting to the market to keep up with inflation and reach your retirement goals. We believe successful investing means more than just hoping you pick the right stocks for mutual funds and then betting everything that they're going to be worth more in 10 or 20 years. Well, why would we have such a different philosophy than other asset managers? There's a growing body of evidence that traditional buy and hold investing is not effective, and in fact is highly questionable as a means to reach retirement goals. It's probably different than anything you've ever heard about the stock market, so let's take a moment to talk about the stock market. Since 1950, we've experienced 10 recessions, including 9 bear markets. The average pullback in the bear markets has been over 38% from the previous market high. 3 of those bear markets have been crashes. 1987, 2001, and 2008 were extremely damaging even to long-term investors, in some cases wiping out 10 or 20 years of investment returns. On average, we experience a recession every 6 years and a bear market every 6.5. Despite that, the stock market is still the best thing going because inflation is eating away at your retirement accounts or your investment portfolios to the tune of 3% per year, year in and year out. The consistent cyclical nature of the market and the propensity for it to periodically and unpredictably wipe out 10 or 20 years of investment returns is why ACI focuses on driving real returns for clients in today's dollars. We believe in exchanging the idea of an equity return at some point in the future for an immediate return in today's dollars while staying invested. It's a very different idea than what Wall Street considers asset management. What else is different about ACI? Well, you may experience a higher level of personal attention than you become accustomed to. ACI seeks a proactive, real relationship with our clients that includes an ongoing dialogue, not just a simple annual or quarterly review. Other key differences between our firm and other managers are that we're fiduciaries for our clients. We are not compensated by third parties, nor do we accept third-party compensation. ACI is compensated exclusively by our clients. When you do better, we do better. That's the way it should be. Advisors at large firms have sales quotas and performance requirements. At ACI, our only performance interest is in our existing client accounts. We do not employ a sales force. Instead, we are in the market daily and weekly monitoring our client accounts. Our primary business is not to go out and sign up new customers. It's to effectively manage the assets we've been entrusted with. If we do that, it is our experience, new clients find us. Our investing strategies are inherently more conservative. They are income-based. Client accounts are usually partially or fully hedged against market downturns. This protects your dreams and the dreams of those that are depending on you. At its heart, what we do is simple and straightforward and has worked for every business in every industry in every era. We acquire an asset. We establish a target profit for that asset that we consider reasonable. We sell that asset at the earliest opportunity to reach that realized profit. Then we do it again and again and again. It's no different than running a car dealership or an ice cream stand or a multinational manufacturing company. Our products are securities, but the business model is the same. Build equity in the business, build net worth in the business, do it through a series of small but meaningful profits achieved on a consistent basis. We believe the power of our investing methods is second to none, and a simple spreadsheet will quickly show that running an investment portfolio like an operating business is a much more effective way to grow assets and build equity than it is to just run a traditional buy and hold investment. I'd like to close by inviting you to a cup of coffee with myself or another ACI staff member for a confidential portfolio review, or even just to have an informal talk and see if there's something ACI can do to help you with your investments. We're always happy to talk about what we do and the effect that we may be able to have on your future and the dreams of yourself and those that are depending on you. So please enjoy your visit to our site, and don't hesitate to contact myself or another ACI staff member if we can be of assistance. Thank you for your time.